thinking a nice mako or a tuna. I think a tuna.
A tuna?
I'm pretty sure it's an albacore on a 5 kilo line.
With a piece of flathead as bait, or?
Yes, indeed.
So you're not even using a lure?
No. We weren't trawling, we were just... I'm about to snap the rod at the moment.
Think we need a bigger boat.
Nah, seriously. I've got something fucking massive and I don't think I can bring it more than this.
Look at the bend on that rod, ladies and gentlemen.
It is a Silver Star.
How many pound line you got on there, Jamie?
36 kilo rods. And I think I've got a 58 kilo tuna. Yes, I know, I am aware.
In a can.
I am aware that they're catching only 15 kilos in Portland. But here I come 2 k's away from St. Leonard's Ramp and I catch a 58 kilo one. Indeed. I am great. Okay, maybe I should give you some slack because I have been giving you a hard time. You got that gun, bro?
The gun?
The gun?
We need a spear gun. Is that on the big piece of filler?
Yep. I'm actually not quite sure whether we're moving the boat or I'm actually getting more line.
No, we're staying still.
Are we, you reckon?
Yeah.
Bullshit.
This could be a manta ray, and it could jump straight at us.
Well, we did come here in intentions for shark, so... Whoa! Did you see that bit of play? We have got a fish.
We're on, ladies and gentlemen.
We have got a fish! I've actually got a fish for once! I'm not...
Wheel it in, you fuckhead!
For once, I'm not stuck! I'm actually got a fish!
Not seaweed
Okay,
this time.
the other time I was talking shit maybe, but this time it's actually a fish, bro.
Oh shit.
Okay,
I'm on.
Don't worry, that's fucking just get my hand, bro. Listen, people, we're gonna have to end
Take a
the show
short break.
here.
We're gonna have to take a short break.
Take this line, bro. Take this line. Let's do this shit properly. You saw that play, yeah?
Yeah.
Now, did you seriously see that
Yeah,
play?
it bounced. Yeah, look.
Yeah, look. That's high, bro.
Have you got a big line on?
Yeah, 15 kilo or something. I'm so happy I didn't lose him straight away. I didn't know there was a fish.
What have we here, folks? Are we going to be able to fit it on the cooker?
Did it! Avicii! Whoa!
This is not background music. We've got it live from the boat.
Look at that! Come take the line!
Avicii, you're going to have to work this one out.
Oh,
He said he doesn't have to work this out, but he's short.
No.
Oh! We're going to have a quick break.